Welcome to the Shopware 6 release news for May 22. We released the version 6.4.11, and with this release you can expect performance optimizations, an update for the bulk edit feature, news about the rule builder, and many other changes. Time is money, and here the saying comes true. It's well known that customers quickly lose patience and desire to shop if everything takes too long. That's why we optimized our speed thanks to performance optimizations. So let's come to the big news. We've got new use cases for the bulk edit, which I want to show you now. Since Shopware 6.4.5, we have introduced the bulk edit feature. What's special about this is that you can change many data sets at once with just a few clicks. This release enables a further possibility. You can use the bulk edit for variant products as well. Everything that you can change in a single variant, you can now also change via the bulk edit by removing the inheritance. You can see this right here. Just use the bulk edit for the variants. But like I said, keep in mind that you have to remove the inheritance first. Then we come to the next new feature. We optimized our error handling for the shopping experiences. You will now find a more appealing visualization of error messages in the CMS module and thus get more clarity about the location of an error. So for example, if I just leave out the layout name here and try to save, I will now get a more clearly error message where to find the error, and in this case which field must not be empty. Then we come to our shipping methods. It's now possible to prioritize your shipping methods for display in the online store. The simpler the checkout, the better. So how about suggesting a certain shipping method to your customers? From now on, you can set the shipping method of your choice to be the very first displayed to your customer at the checkout. So just open a shipping method and change the position. You will then see in the overview which position is at the top. We've also got some new improvements for the dynamic product groups. New filter and condition. With the dynamic product groups, you can create product feeds based on rules that are automatically updated when new products meet the conditions. We have made two improvements to the dynamic product groups as part of this release. First one, the new filter. Highlighted products. So you can now set a filter for products marked as promoted. With this filter, you can easily highlight your top sellers, for example. Second, we've got the new condition, variant properties. There is a newer condition to be able to mark variant properties in the dynamic product groups. Previously, this was only possible in the rule builder module, but can now also be found in the dynamic product group module. Coming to the rule builder. We have improved two aspects of the rule builder with the new Shopware version. First, more efficient product selection. So when you want to choose specific products for your condition, you had to select them one by one while scrolling through the list. This took a little bit of time. Therefore, we have now added an advanced selection. This means you can now open an additional window and select multiple products at once. Second, we have improved the access rights. So who is allowed to assign rules? From now on, define exactly who should have access rights for rule assignment. Previously, you couldn't. You could only allow or deny access to the entire rule builder module. With the version 6.4.11, we've also implemented many of your community wishes. A list of the issue tickets which have been implemented and the developer news can be found under shopware.com. We wish you all the best, have fun with our new version 6.4.11, and see you in the next video.